Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Alright, inshallah, today we will continue our lesson on parts of the house. Okay, last 2 weeks we have done some quick review about parts of the house, part 1. But today we will continue to part 2. Alright, are you ready? Yes, very good. Let's go. Okay, the first one, look at the picture. Alright, this is a cupboard. Okay, what is cupboard in Bahasa Melayu? Cupboard is almari. Very good. Cupboard is almari. How to spell cupboard? C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Okay. The next one, look at the picture. There is a bookcase there. There are so many books, okay, properly arranged in the bookcase. Alright, what is this? This is a bookcase. Bookcase is rak buku in Bahasa Melayu. Alright, okay. Or we can say as almari buku. Alright, so how to spell bookcase? Look here. B-O-O-K-C-A-S-E. Bookcase. The third one. Look at the picture. The panda. Oh no, this is a polar bear. Opening the fridge and then it's go inside. Alright, what is this in English? This is fridge. F-R-I-D-G-E. Fridge. Fridge means peti sejuk. Okay? Semua orang mesti ada fridge dekat rumah dia kan? Sebab gunanya kita gunakan fridge untuk simpan makanan, simpan air supaya boleh tahan lama. Okay, the next one. Look at the picture. This is an armchair. Armchair ialah kerusi yang macam dalam gambar ni. Okay, kerusi yang kita boleh letakkan tangan kita dekat tepi tu. Ada tempat letak tangan tu. Itu dipanggil armchair. Alright, how to spell armchair? A-R-M-C-H-A-I-R. Armchair. And then we go to the next one. Look at the picture. There is an armchair, okay, a cupboard, some frame hanging on the wall. Okay, there is also a sofa, okay, and console table. Okay, what is this? This is a living room. Okay, dekat living room ialah ruang tamu. Dekat setiap rumah mesti ada ruang tamu kan? Dekat ruang tamu adalah ruang yang mana kalau ada tetamu datang kat rumah kita, kita suruh dia duduk dekat ruang tamu. Dekat situ ada sofa, ada TV, ada meja dan kerusi yang biasa kita letak dekat ruang tamu. Alright, how to spell living room? L-I-V-I-N-G, living. R-O-O-M, room, living room, which means ruang tamu. The next one, okay, this is a bedroom. Okay, how to spell bedroom? B-E-D-R-O-O-M, bedroom. And what is bedroom? Look at the picture. Ya, bedroom ialah bilik tidur. Okay, bilik kat rumah kita. Yang tempat kita tidur, tempat kita berehat. Kat situlah ada katil, ada tempat gantung baju, tempat gantung pakaian, ada bantal. Okay, that is bedroom. Setiap rumah mesti ada bedroom kan? Alright, the next one. Look at the picture. There is a mother is cooking while her daughter is helping her at the kitchen. Okay, ada seorang ibu tengah masak. Lepas tu ada anak perempuan dia nak tolong masak kan? Alright, what is kitchen in Malay? Kitchen is dapur. Okay, dapur. How to spell kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Alright, the next one. Number 8 is garden. Okay, garden bermaksud taman. Kebiasaannya rumah orang yang besar-besar, rumah orang kaya-kaya mesti ada taman dekat rumah dia. Okay, ada pokok bunga yang banyak. Lepas tu air terjun, air pancuk dan juga ada kolam yang cantik. Itulah dia garden. Okay, Alhamdulillah. That is parts of the house. Okay, kali ini kita belajar yang bahagian kedua. Okay, Alhamdulillah, that's all for today. I am very excited to teach all of you. See you all again next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.